Hello, I'm Michael. Thanks for tuning in today and watching how I'm going to install a air filter system onto a Type 1 Volkswagen Beetle engine. Couple things that you're going to need is tools. Normally it's a standard size screwdriver, and then there's a clip that's on the bottom side of the air breather, air filter, and we shall put it on. This is pretty easy. I try to get this on I don't know how to call it, but what's nice is this sucks air from, usually there's a hose from the air breather to the engine, and so it sucks the air out of the engine because there's some pressure that builds up inside the engine, and it kind of helps relieve that pressure. And so I usually put the connection point on the back side of the air breather and put it on like this. So look, it doesn't want to go on, but we shall put it on. Dribble. Just need to put it on. I'm gonna try without it first. It seems like it's a little bigger than normal for some reason. Which is odd. Usually it's not that. Usually it just slips right on. Yeah, there you go. It's very odd. And how it doesn't want to come off. That's, like I said, every engine has its own mind. So I'm going to shove this in the back. There you go. And so in doing that, I can have the screw kind of out of the way but accessible on the left side over here to tighten it up. Normally you have either stock or some other air breather that you take off to put this on. Okay, all done. Thanks for watching today. I'm Michael, and hope you learned something. I know it's a really quick thing to do on one of these engines. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and have a great day.